Hindi kasama si Mar. Ako lang
Si Pina lang.
Bakit? Wala si Mar?
O sa February pa raw yun. February daw.
Pinayagan ng amo.
February pa raw.
Hindi siya pinayagan.
Kaso.
Bakit ba?
Para iyak.
Iyak na naman yan. Iyak na yan.
Iyak mo yan.
Iyak na yan. Bakla.
Uy, huwag mo kaming marangan. Dito ka muna sa kabila. Wala eh. Hindi pinayagan ng amo niya eh.
Post mo sa TikTok, mag-viral na.
Uy, wag kasi baka sasabihin na.
Isa pa. Mga netizen.
Are you willing?
You keep on animation.
Are you willing?
Are you willing to calm down?
Pangilang tao po ba?
Kusog Tanan magsaulog Sinulog Isyagit ug kusog Tanan magsaulog Sinulog
Señor, lolo kini Señor, lola kini
Sinulog
Señor, tatay kini Señor.
Laro tayo! 1! Sino tayo? 2! Sali kayo! 3! 4! Pamela 1! Pamela Mela 1! Pamela 2! Pamela Mela 2! Pamela 3! Pamela Mela 3! Pamela 4! Pamela Mela 4!
Pamela 1, igalawang katawan. Pamela 2, tumembot ng ganito. Pamela 3, parang kinikili.
Bigyan ng jaketan!
Napiti na siya ang kamay. May sound effect pa eh. Bingi at saka pipi nga, hindi nga maririnig. Part-time boss.
Break time.
Break time.
Break time.
May video na lang boss. Kamusta? Kamusta? Welcome to the Philippines, boy. Mainit. Nakalimutan namin sabihin. Sorry, boss. Ay, may timer po. Aray ka! Aray ka! Bakit? Hindi tayo. Sige, boss. Siomay, siomay.
And bigyan, wow.
Ano? May video na lang, boss. Kamusta? Hey, guys. Kamusta? Guys. Welcome to the Philippines, boy. Mainit. Nakalimutan namin sabihin. Sorry, boss. Sinanay ka na.
So boys may come and boys may go, boys may come and go. Boys may come and boys may go, and boys may come and go. Boys may come and go, and boys, you know that boys may come and boys may go, and boys may come and go. You know that we
Pirated.
Aray ka!
Pwede. Pwede ba? Para mas... Saan ka dito sa daan?
I had a bad habit of missing lovers past. My brother used to call it eating out of the trash. It's never gonna last. I thought my house was haunted. I used to live with ghosts, and all the perfect couples said when you know, you know, and when you don't, you don't. And all of the foes and all of the friends, I've seen it before, they'll see it again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. I was wrong, but my mama told me it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes, sleepless in the onyx night, but now the sky is open light. Oh, 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 my Lord, never met no one like you before. You had to make your own sunshine, but now the sky is open light. Oh, oh, oh. You couldn't understand it, why you felt alone. You were in it for real. She was in her phone, and you were just a pose. And don't we try to love, 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 love? We give it all we got, give it all we got. You finally left the table, and what a simple thought. You're starving till you're not. And all of the foes and all of the friends have messed up before, they'll mess up again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. You move on, and that's when I told you it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes, sleepless in the onyx night, but now the sky is open light. Oh, 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 my Lord, never met no one like you before. You had to make your own sunshine, but now the sky
bigyan ng jaketan!
Aray ka!
Bubura ka. Hindi na ano na.
Hay! Hay! Hay!
Ano taking that?
Wala ba, ha?
Oh my God! Hindi namin dyan.
Bukas pa yun. Papalusot. Kuha ka pa.
Ay ka, doon kayo sa...
Want to taste that? Want to taste that? Okay.
Tell him what kind. Yeah. Tell him what kind of recipe. Huh? Yung kalderetang para. I will get.
We speak in Tagalog, then you answer me in English.
Pinipigil mo.
If you understand Tagalog.
Okay. Let's give it a shot.
Let's give it a try daw.
This you eat is quack quack.
Yeah, as I heard, Donald Duck.
Yeah.
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck.
Me Tarzan
Me.
came down here to eat quack quack. Quack quack good. You eat and say quack quack too.
Bit cool, don't you think?
Ano daw? Paki-translate.
Micah will do the honor of translating.
Micah, you next now. I'm sorry.
Game siya eh.
Okay.
How about
I'm saying we're
AJ?
Me
eating duck.
sweating.
It's a very cool world we're living in,
Mhm.
but it's delicious.
Yeah.
You know what?
Oh my God.
That's a compliment, you know.
Compliment.
I don't have any comment because he said delicious.
What?
That's the exotic food in
Back in the province.
Kano rin Pasiran na ka na.
Exotic food back in Isabela.
Isabella. Where's
Isabella.
that? Whereabouts is that?
Yeah, where's Isabela province? Banda saan? Ikwento mo kung saan papunta. Kung pa south ba, pa north?
North Luzon.
Oh, I've heard of Luzon before.
Yeah,
Luzon and then Mindanao, right?
Mindanao, yeah. So you know
Our
the
province today is like Baguio. It's so cold.
I'm actually sweating. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is like I'm still a little bit hot here.
Yeah.
I'm quite used to like the snow, you know, back home in
Yeah.
Canada. So good. Like if this is cold to you guys, I don't know.
Hey, you come here.
It's quite hot.
You speak English.
Come here, you speak English too.
We're getting
Kamusta? A bit of Tagalog.
yeah, like a dash of Tagalog here and there.
Just check your nose. Okay? Just check their noses.
Check your noses.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've sort of heard.
My nose is
I thought
fine.
that was literal. I thought their nose would start bleeding.
Bleeding.
I thought that was like, I don't know, it was just like a metaphor, so to speak.
Literally bleeding.
Yeah, it's literally bleeding, right? I was like, what?
starting now.
May have another drug issue that's probably.
So what's the science behind the nose bleeding? When you're speaking English.
Yeah, I don't know. What is that? I don't know. You can't comprehend it?
Yeah.
I guess.
Something is breaking inside.
Yes.
Like what?
Your body's literally giving up on you.
It's like
I can't
your brain is melting.
Melting.
May gusto siyang sabihin, hindi masabi.
It's your turn now.
No. You speak in English. You make like sick.
What's that?
You make. He make.
That's okay. It's okay, guys. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, I can see a little bit. It's dripping down now.
Don't worry, it's not fatal. You, you, Tarzan and Jane.
So what's the cooking process like? Like, is there a lot of things that needs to be done before?
Anong English ng igigisa?
Igay-gisa.
You're going to saute.
Igay-gisa.
Saute.
Say,
Today.
Oh, saute.
Saute.
Yes, yes.
Saute.
Saute.
first oil, garlic.
Garlic. May action pa yun, no?
You
Mix.
Magus.
Mix. Mekus.
Mekus.
I saw that on TikTok. That Indian guy.
Oh, you know him.
Mekus.
need help. Yeah. Okay.
Sub.
Nagantang ko.
What's that? You saute
Yeah,
giza?
gigisa.
Yeah.
Giza.
Then
Yeah.
put the duck. Then put the tomato sauce. And then put some little bit tomato paste.
Oh my god, did you put that duck while it's alive?
Oh yeah.
Kaming kaginto niya mo.
You have to pluck the feathers out first, or is it?
Paano daw kinakata yung ano? Yung
Did you have to pluck
pato?
it first, or how does it work?
I don't know how to
Grabe,
explain.
totoo.
Okay, that's okay.
Sabi natin na.
I don't want your nose to bleed any more than it is. That's okay. I don't want her nose to start bleeding more than it already is.
There's a lot of tissue paper, you know?
Yes, we have one.
Dinedemonstrate niya ang Kalmark kung paano. Hindi niya kasi masabi. The neck is long. When you
That's okay. I'm a visual learner, so that kind of helps a bit.
Slowly.
That helps a bit.
slowly, slowly. I do it. Stop. You grab his the neck of duck because the neck of duck is long. Then you stop it.
You wanna sample?
Yeah.
Should be gonna have that big of a neck.
Ang sakit ang tiyak ko. I'll be in trouble.
Oh yes. Maybe we'll see you on a plate next time.
Yeah.
With your head and everything, your glasses too.
I'll be called as Mark Sote.
Martin. Yes.
My stomach hurts.
Yeah.
Too much laughing.
You guys are okay? You okay? Okay pa? Kaya pa?
You want to ask more questions? How this been made?
Sure, yeah. I mean, we go with the saute, I'm guessing, and then
Yung pansit,
vermicelli noodles?
yung pansit kabaga naman daw.
It's pancit kabagan. It's
Pancit
made
kabagan.
of kabagan. Ting.
Malapit na!
It's the most famous pancit in Isabela. There's a two type of pancit.
Oh, may two
There's
types
a
pa pala.
Batil patong and
That's a mouthful. Battle.
pancit.
Batil patong.
Battle pattern.
Yeah.
Battle pattern.
Why batil patong?
That's good.
I don't know.
Don't know? That's okay.
Anong gusto niyong drink? Dala ko.
Ikaw, anong gusto mo, Paul? Drinks.
Ako na ako. Yung ano na. Pero masarap siya in fairness. Ay.
Tatagalan ka pala!
You just got fouled!
Nakakatulog eh. Nagapala ko ano.
Such a good sport.
Love sa akin eh.
Pwede ka na maligo.
Ito ka ma-explain eh.
Tatlong ring. Okay? Itatapon ng ring dito, kailangan ma-shoot. Tapos, pumasok.
Sample, sample.
Tapos, meron ka pang dalawang tiyan. Pili. $5, $3, $3. Yan. Buksan nyo. Dalar yan, dalar.
Kunin niyo yung taas niyo. Yay!
Ako next,
Bigyan
ako
natin ng
next.
chance yung mga hindi pa nakaka...
Naidok! Doon, Naidok! Naidok! Oh, meron. Oh, dalawa!
Dalawang sobre. Dalawa. O, buksan mo muna.
Oh, 100.
Okay lang.
Hey! 600! 600!
Tsaka 5 tsaka 100.
Ano pa?
Ang dali.
Isang gusto maglaro.
100.
Ako next!
Hindi, yung munang ano. Yung munang first ka pa lang, di ba? First ka.
Yung mga hindi pa nakapaglaro. Lau!
Kuya, sino naman?
Trikod ka natin eh.
Sige lang. Isa ka lang nito.
Saan?
Bokya.
Saan naman dito?
Pangalawa ka na sino?
Wala. Wala. First time pa sila.
Yan siya na.
Sa gitna.
10,000.
AJ ha?
Hindi kasi natin nilalaro yun eh.
Wala. O, sino na? Ay, yung ano, first time. Wala na? Tapos na yung mga first time?
Sinanay na, sinanay.
Oh, yung hindi na. Tapos na si Nani, nanalo na.
Sinanay na, sinanay.
Oh, yung second time na Bokya. Second time na Bokya.
Tara. Samahan ng bokya.
Ikaw din.
Second time na
Samahan
Bokya.
ng bokya.
Hindi ka pa nanalo. Manood.
Baka hanggang sa kawali ulit, hindi ako makapag-shoot.
Tatagalan pala to eh.
Okay lang yun.
Oh, ilan daw? Panalo yung mga ano. Wow. Panalo ng mga bokya eh. Yes! Yay! 500. Sabay ko eh.
Nanalo na tayo? Team effort?
Wow! Yay!
Wow!
Huwag kayo.
Pwede yun.
Limang bunot yan. Nakailan siya, di ba? Limang bunot. Isa pa? Meron pa?
That's my mom right there, guys.
Yeah.
I know.
I know. Alam mo, meron ka na namang bibiling sapatos malamang.
Kailan bunot ka na? Tatlo?
Wala ka na bunot?
200. Naka 200 pa lang ako. Naglo-loading, naglalagay.
Oh! Oh!
Wow, alright. Pagpag niya sa pagpag. Wow, galing. Okay, next. Aray ka!
Saan kayo punta, guys?
Secret!
Secret.
Anong ginawa niyo doon sa lababo? Sinuksok niyo lang? Doon? Oo. May nakuha kayong dumi? Anong dumi?
Sige, boss.
Naipong buhok. Bali, ang ginagawa ko doon,
Sige, boss.
binobomba ko. Tapos sinasalo ko doon kasi
Ay, gawin.
Ano yun sa ilalim?
Wala ka naman balbas.
Pero susubukan ko naman yun sa ilalim. Mamaya.
One more. 1, 2, 3. Tingin dito. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ayun. Grabe ang ham. Oo, passion. Kasi napunta ko lang mo yung pagkatapat.
Okay na, kuya.
Yan na mapait. Masyado naman. Ay, atulog. Sino gusto mo yung katulog?
Si Tess. Joke yun? Gara naman.
Hindi, sa amin ganun din inaano.
Ang batang masipag paglaki, what? Ano? Ting
Ano? Alaga kay nanay. Oh, happy birthday ka natin. Happy
birthday to you.
Thank you. Ay naman pa. Pansay.
Parla nila ito.
Samsung. Pogs.
Samsung Technology. Ito po ang pamilyang Samsung. No? Ayun, no? Guys. Take care, guys. I love you. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Hi, Jad. Hello. Uncle Mark. Hi, Lau. Talaga ba? Ay, si Kuya Randy. Wala eh.
What's up?
Mamaya.
What's up?
Yo, guys. What's up, guys? What's up?
The bumblebees?
Oo nga, no?
Picture ba yan?
Hindi, video. Nagpo-post pa kayo, ha? Anaconda? Bakit?
Lasang kilikili.
I know, right? Burrito ba yan? The neck is long.
Wow.
The neck is long.
Neck is long. And then you stop it.
Layo na nila. Plano ni Uncle Mark. Tapos dun, magko-coffee daw. Aba! Aray ka! Parang meron tayong ano. Meron tayong memories na... Hello, tayong Doc. Bili ka na?
Sa all for me, lato all for me.
Okay.
Clam chowder, dalawa. House salad, tatlo.
Bali lang all for me. Hindi all lang nila. All salad po, tatlo.
Alaman, salad.
Pag wala ka nito, aray mo. 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 Wala.
Tostada chip, salsa. Dito, sample.
One.
Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Talang mo.
Lemonade. Lemonade ba to?
Sa atin yan, lemonade.
Akala ko buko talaga. May buko pala. Akala ko tatol buko eh. Tapos kayo nga may...
Diba clam chowder sa atin eh? Ayun eh. Ayos na ko. Ito, sa kayate. Study bell. Meron pa isa oh. Oo, ang salad mo.
Wow.
Ang salad mo.
Ano ito?
Ano yan? Loaded. Loaded fried chicken. Asan yung loaded? Bonnet yan. Bonnet. Loaded fried chicken.
Yung burger chicken
Loaded na yun. Ano yung mga in-order nyo? Hindi ko alam.
Janelle, oh, ito yung hugasan ni Ate Tess, oh. Hindi kasi sila nagbayad. Hello. Meron pa doon sa kabilang table. Hello. Hello. Uncle Mark, ano masabi mo kay Janelle?
Hi, Janelle. I'm nonchalant.
Nonchalant. Aray ka! Everybody say, 1, 2, 3. Aray ka!
Dito na yung sakayan.
Magsawa ka sa mall dito, Naidok. Kota ka sa mall dito.
Sabi ko, boring.
Ganda ng store. Wiwi.
Takot ka dito.
Walk lang tayo.
Thanos will return.
In?
Avengers Doomsday.
Horror story.
Salamat sa sinabi mo. Ah.
Di ba? Hanami wa. Ayun na dyan. Doon, susi.
Saan? Ayun, hanapin natin yung susi natin.
May tayo man lang love.
Gusto mo ano, tawagan ko. Uy, si Raymond nandun, oh.
Kaya nga eh.
Gusto mo? Mag-tip tayo.
Magkano?
Kahit mga ano lang. Number natin ay 67. 67. Dito yung kinatay ko. B. The neck is very long. Then you will stab it.
Then you will,
Then you will, loko.
because the neck is long. Then you will like this. Then you,
May tunog pa yun eh.
Ano ang kasi Ano sa Tagalog ng 6'7"?
Tatlo yun.
Ano na, hindi, 4. Samson.
Apat daw muna eh.
Samson.
Samson. Kaya mo na apat.
Samson.
Si Jad.
455.
Mauna kayo apat. 455. Next kayo, next. Watch your step, ah.
40. Kaya 455. Then 55.
Sama ba si Daddy Ben?
Mga thunders ang last. Baby boomers.
Oy, dapat. Meron pa doon.
Gagaw!
Maganda yung spot dito.
Oh, sige. Yan na lang. Thank you, kuya.
Paano naman leg ko? Ganyan?
Pinaliktad.
Wow!
Ay, thank you.
Ay, ang ganda! Ang ganda naman yan. Wow!
Akala ko tawag kayo, Manong Tiago. Set! Ay, set. Set!
Magtatagaan tayo.
Saan?
Sige nga, subukan mo yung bangga. Banggaan tayo!
Sabay ganun eh.
Kilala ko kayo! Kilala ko kayo! Utang yan!
Dapat parang nasa lang.
Oo nga. Manang gusto mo pagpagupit ng buhok? Kasi na malapit na mga barber dito eh. Bigla tayong magpint dito. Ay, yun.
Daliri ah.
Pasok.
Oh!
Wala na si Geronimo. I-break time na. Hindi kita makita man.
Nag-enjoy ko kasi sa hilo.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yun totoo.
6-7.
Ayun pala eh. Picture. Tingin lahat. Three pictures. Tapos ka ng konting mark. Para makita kayo lahat.
Yun.
Yung kamay. Game. Ball! Ito.
Ay, si Kuya Randy oh.
One, two, three.
Ay, lang yung maingay dito.
Hulihin tayo dito.
6-7.
Mi sol es santo, de otra mano linda soy.
Partichano.
Da mi vida. Bella ciao, partigiano. Da mi vida.
Mi amore.
O kami naman, ha?
Sige nga, panindigan mo lang ako, Mark.
Naman eh.
May kutsilyo. May tinidor.
Racist.
May pinggan na tinidor. At syempre, hindi mawala si Plus One!
Saan ba si Plus One? Wag kulang utot ah. Ang bihira kayo. Libre. Ano na Dok? Ano sabi mo? Sabi mo? Dun. Si Jules. Jules! Dun. Naidok!
Yun. Picture daw.
Aray ka!
Ay, may ramen. Amen.
Baka gusto ni Mark, ate kayo. Gusto ni Mark.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sinulog, wala ka sa hulog. Sinulog, wala ka sa hulog. Sino wala sa hulog? Nananahimik ako. Nakalimutan ko na nga eh. Ha? Kung ikaw keychain, sino ka dyan? Ano? Ito. Ito.
Ako ito. Ito po po yung kasi.
Kawawa.
Sabi ko na eh. Si Pipin niya, ito eh.
Si Paul.
Ang cute ah. Ang cute ah.
Wow, cute ha.
Very cute ah, very cute. Ikaw, si Jigglypuff. Kailangan lagi may pentel pen. Para pag kumanta ka tapos natulog kami, susulatan mo kami. Di ba ganun si Jigglypuff? Pipin! Nagkakamot ka. Aray ka!